Keeping a fig tree small is a common practice, especially for those growing figs in containers or limited spaces. Here are several methods to help you control the size of your fig tree. 1. Pruning. Regular pruning is essential for controlling the size of a fig tree. Prune your fig tree during the dormant season winter to remove any dead, damaged, or overcrowded branches. Additionally, selectively prune branches to shape the tree and reduce its overall size. Focus on removing vigorous, upward-growing shoots to encourage a more compact growth habit. 2. Dwarf varieties. Consider selecting a dwarf or miniature variety of fig tree if you're limited on space or prefer a smaller tree. Dwarf fig trees naturally have a more compact growth habit and require less pruning to maintain their size. Look for varieties such as Little Miss Figgy or Petite Negra that are specifically bred for smaller spaces. 3. Container growing. Growing a fig tree in a container allows you to control its size more easily. Choose a large container with drainage holes and use well-draining potting soil. Container-grown fig trees will naturally stay smaller than those planted in the ground, as their root growth is restricted by the container. 4. Root pruning. If you're growing a fig tree in a container, periodically check the roots for overcrowding. When roots become pot-bound, carefully remove the tree from its container and trim back the roots using sharp pruning shears. Repot the tree in fresh soil and a slightly larger container to encourage healthy growth. 5. Summer pruning. In addition to dormant season pruning, you can also perform selective pruning during the growing season to control the size of your fig tree. Remove any vigorous vertical shoots or suckers as they emerge to redirect energy into fruit production and maintain a compact growth habit. 6. Training. Train your fig tree to a specific shape or form, such as an espalier or fan shape, to limit its overall size and spread. By training the branches to grow horizontally along a trellis or against a wall, you can control the tree's size while maximizing fruit production in a confined space. 7. Regular maintenance. Keep an eye on your fig tree throughout the growing season and perform routine maintenance as needed. This includes removing any unwanted growth, thinning out crowded branches, and staying proactive to prevent the tree from becoming overly large or unruly. By implementing these techniques, you can successfully keep your fig tree small and manageable, while still enjoying a bountiful harvest of delicious figs. Remember to tailor your pruning and maintenance efforts to the specific needs of your fig tree, and adjust as necessary to maintain its desired size and shape.